See charts. All right. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a good week overall. A pretty interesting day that we got here. And as we tend to do, we will be going over the market here and today's plays. Market's been closed for about 2 minutes now. So what you're seeing here is the closing price for the week. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for August 12th, 2022. Q's up 1.95, SPY up 1.67. Yesterday, we noted that we did have a gap up that got sold. Okay, that reversal there. But we still had the hourly support still here. We still had the hourly uptrend. So what was the plan? Stick with the hourly support until it fails. Okay, Qs were challenging the support there, but still into a rising 20 into that support. So I said, let's wait and see what we get today. We got a little bit of a bearish reaction to that gap up yesterday, but we still have this hourly trend. So as long as this hourly trend is intact, it can't be bearish. So we'll see what kind of price action we get today, and then that'll give us some indication of what to look for next week. So what did we get? We got a decent bounce. Now I did say yesterday I did expect us to bounce a little bit because of the support, but actually, you know, SPY made it all the way back up and back above yesterday's high. So we did get a bounce, but it was not a small bounce. I thought today we might get a more narrow range day. In fact, was kind of a trend day today. So impressive move up from the market. More bullish than I expected, even though I wasn't bearish. What does that mean for next week? That means the hourly for sure is still intact here. So we got to stay bullish until this hourly breaks down. Okay. And we also kind of pointed out how we'd seen stuff like this before in the past, right? Where we get the gap up, it starts to come in. Is that going to be a breakout failure? Well, it's technically not a breakout failure until it goes below the base. Right, so if this is where the base is and then we break out, it's technically not a breakout failure until it goes below the base. And so we saw, okay, initially it broke out and it wasn't going to follow through. Well, it doesn't technically fail until it goes below the base, because what's in this base? That's support. Because last time we were there, what did we do? We moved up higher. So we expect, okay, there's still demand in this base. Buyers still own this area, or you could say the bulls still own this area. So demand in that base and still moving up. So trend is still there, still bullish. All right, let's go over the plays from today. Now, I'll go over these plays. Yeah, you're going to notice that I favored the short ideas because I really didn't expect the market was going to move up that much. And then a lot of the longs I saw were already up a lot or basing at the highs, and I didn't know how much continuation we're going to get. You know, I thought if the market were to pull in, not necessarily a big drop, but just even pull in, I thought the shorts had a better chance of working. Turns out, you know, kind of the longs work too. So anyway, the first play here was actually James's play. Look at this nice pro gap on the LAW. Moving up, gapping down, clearing support. I don't know if you remember, but yesterday we talked about the 6. I said the one flaw with this yesterday was that the gap did not break the support. It did sell off into breaking the support, but the gap itself did not. Law did not have that problem. Okay, when it gapped, it was already through the support. And then nice, oops, what happened? Did we freeze? Uh-oh. All right. Well, let's see if I can bring up a new chart for us then. Oh, never had that happen before. All right, we will have to probably start this over.